Hi guys, welcome back to Dick in the Kitchen, and today we're cooking up something special. Today we're making a Caribbean Asian fusion dish, Guava Braised Short Ribs of beef. They'll make your taste buds sing and your mouth water. Before we get started, if you like short ribs, be sure to hit the like button right now and be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. If you want to impress your friends at your next gathering, stay tuned for an exotic classic dish that's easier to cook than you think. Are you ready to get going? Come on, let's get started. Let's make the seasoning for the short ribs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon Asian 5-spice powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Then mix it well. First, we're going to take our ribs and blot them with a paper towel to dry them really well. Season them thoroughly on both sides with salt and pepper. Then we're going to heat oil in our pan, about 2 tablespoons, and sear the ribs until they're browned on all sides. And the next thing you know, we have a secret ingredient that's going to turn this dish into a tropical sensation. Don't click away or you're going to miss it. We're going to take our short rib seasoning and generously coat both sides of the ribs with the seasoning itself. Then we're going to add the secret ingredient, and here it is. It's guava nectar. Add the guava nectar to the pan, and we're going to use that as a braising liquid. Now we put our short ribs in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 2.5 hours. About halfway through, we're going to take them out and flip them over. Our next step is to create the guava barbecue sauce for our ribs. This is really going to set them apart from anything you've ever tasted before. We reserved about 1 tablespoon of our seasoning for the ribs, and then to that we add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger root, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, and another secret ingredient, which is guava paste. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of that guava paste. This adds both a deep flavor to the sauce as well as a touch of sweetness that really sets it apart. Oops, we forgot something. We forgot to put in the carrots, onions, and celery. But not to worry, we chop up 1/2 of a small onion, 1 small carrot, and 1/2 a stalk of celery, and just throw it right into our braising liquid. Then it's back in the oven for about 1 more hour until the braising is complete. The braising of the ribs is done. In fact, they're falling off the bone tender, but they're not quite finished yet. We're going to take our barbecue sauce and put a generous coating on top of all of our ribs. We're then going to put them under a broiler for about 15 minutes to get them slightly caramelized and ready to serve. Man, they're starting to look really delicious under that broiler. I can't wait for them to get done. What goes better with short ribs than mashed potatoes? I can't think of another thing. So we're going to take 5 potatoes and cut them into smaller pieces. And then we're going to boil them for approximately 15 minutes until they're fork tender. At that point, we're going to start to mash them, add in some half and half, a few pats of butter, and we have absolutely delicious mashed potatoes to go with our short ribs of beef. We're going to chop up a bunch of chives for a garnish, about roughly 3 tablespoons of chives. And now we're going to plate the mashed potatoes. We're getting near the end now. We've taken our mashed potatoes, topped them with our short ribs of beef that have been caramelized underneath the broiler. We're now going to separate the remaining braising liquid and using an immersion blender, mix it briefly for about 15 seconds to emulsify all the vegetables in the braising liquid. Drizzle a little bit of the braising liquid over the top of the potatoes and guava braised short ribs. Garnish the top with our chopped chives, and now we're ready to take our delicious guava braised short ribs to the table.